Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is March 27, 2017. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at market trend and our strategy. Last week, U.S. stock market retreated. I've been stopped out for all the ETFs and some of the stocks as well, but I continue long the strong stocks. So I still have a long position in the market. Let's take a look at the indices and their charts. German DAX index is in uptrend. Nasdaq, as you can see, last Tuesday, the stock suddenly came down a lot with a very high volume. That's the institution selling. Because of this coming down, broke 10, 20, 30-day moving average all at once. My ETF gets stopped out. I had the Nasdaq and the SP 500 ETF, and got all the ETFs were stopped out, and some of the stocks. However, the next few days, especially today, looks like a market try to support around 50-day moving average. We should wait and see if this market can break above this high here going upward, then I will get back into the market. If not, I would just have to wait to see how market react around 50-day moving average. Will they break down with a high volume or not? So that would decide what's my next course of action. SP 500 also came down last Tuesday, and then find support today. But the volume on the down days are very high. Those are the institutions selling. So I'm also out of the SP 500 index ETF. I'm just waiting for the market to give me next signal. Gold rebounded. Silver also rebounded, but gold and silver are both at a 200-day moving average now. So that can be a resistance. Gold mining stock ETF is coming at the 50-day moving average. So if GDX can go above the 50-day moving average, it has a potential to try the 200-day moving average. So gold and gold mining stocks looks like they may reverse to the upside. They used to be in this correction, but now it may go up. Crude oil. Crude oil is in a downtrend here. Crude oil is in a downtrend. Shanghai Stock Exchange, China market is in an uptrend. China ETF also corrected, however, the trend is still up. Semiconductor, this is a very strong ETF, very strong index ETF. I'm looking to buy semiconductor ETF, and right now it looks like it may find support around 30-day moving average. Sorry, 20-day moving average. That's the pink one. Previously, as you can see, every time SMH, semiconductor ETF, came down 50-day moving average, 30-day moving average, it all finds support. So now those moving average line up nicely. This is a very nice uptrend, and this trend expect to last for a while. So if we pull back close to a moving average, that would be an opportunity to buy. Social media index ETF also go up. This is another ETF in a nice uptrend. And XLU utility is in the uptrend. That's all the ETFs. And let's take a look at stocks. And there are few stocks I talked about last week, and they triggered the sell. I don't have those stocks. Actually, I did not have those stocks, but they triggered the action is not very good. So those NUE and PWR, WAL. Those are the stocks I took it out of my watch list. I'm going to show you the chart later. Still have Alibaba, PRI, Marvell, NVIDIA, VEV, and add another one, AAOI. And I'm going to show you the chart again. Those are the stocks in the buy range, means they're 5% above the breakout pivotal point. Sorry, they're within 5% above the breakout pivotal point. And then the second list of stocks that's too extended out of the buy range, which means they're more than 5% above the pivotal point. But those stocks are very strong uptrend. So whenever they pull back a little bit to the moving average, that's a buy signal. I have some of this. I have Apple and the AMD. So those are the stocks right now look still good. Okay, let's take a look at the stocks in the buy range. AAOI, Applied Optoelectronics, and these are the stocks I newly added. The chart is very strong. As you can see, all these up days and the very big jump days, you have this huge volume. That's indication that institutions buying this stock and they're accumulating. That's how the stock goes up because of the lot more buyers than the sellers. And stock is very strong. And today it just break out with this little consolidation. And so today is the buy signal here. Alibaba also in the uptrend. This is a buyable. The recent breakout is a 104.67 here. So we're still in the buy range. Marvell also in the uptrend. It pulled back to 50-day moving average. See, in the past, every time it pulled back to 50-day moving average, it finds support and continue to go up. So we just look for Marvell to rebound from here, from 50-day moving average. Then we can buy. NVIDIA, please pay attention to NVIDIA. NVIDIA was the best performer stock last year. And this year, I will anticipate sometime it will finish this correction and go up again. The fundamental for this company is very strong, and the NVIDIA chips is used widely in the artificial intelligence, like self-driving cars and drones and all this control, and doing a lot of data analysis on the server and all that. So GPU is very powerful, a lot more powerful than CPU. It supports parallel computation and all that. So using GPU to calculate large amount of data and doing the machine learning or artificial intelligence, either it's a real-time control or the big data analysis, it's very powerful. So anyhow, this company is unlike any other. There's no strong competitor. Intel is nowhere near compared with NVIDIA. So fundamental is very strong. Now all we need is some more buyers stepping to push this up. For now, the general census in the investment community is that NVIDIA is overvalued. It has gone up too fast, too soon. So a lot of sellers, they're selling it, and some people even short it. But I would anticipate this selling will finish in some time. The sellers will be exhausted in some time, and then people who want to buy will step in. So for now, if you want to buy now, make sure you have a stop order. I would say anywhere below this $95.70. It should not break that low. It actually should not break this $100, 102 range. Like I would anticipate it going this little flat base and then go up. But if it doesn't, if it actually turns down this flat base, then something bad is happening. So we have to always prepare. I'm very bullish about NVIDIA, but I'm also very much prepared for it to come down. So I have stop order on my long position. I've already bought it as NVIDIA break above the 50-day moving average. I bought it right here. But I have stop order a little bit below $100. So that's my stop order. If it drops below 100, such as $99, $98, I will sell. And last defense line is $95. If it drops below $95, you definitely will sell. And if NVIDIA does not go down, if it go above $120 or $121, this range, that's a that's a breakout. That's the time you should buy a lot, basically. So, okay, that's NVIDIA. I'm showing you the hourly chart. That was a daily chart I showed you previously. This is the hourly chart. Hourly chart, you can see it reaches $120, and then second time try to reach that $120. The seller stepping, pull it down. So this is a day. If you had long this stock, this particular day is a day you definitely need to sell because it is so obvious. Stock tried to break previous high, it couldn't. Seller came in and pulled it down. So that's a selling day. You definitely need to sell. And then later it just keep going down. Now looks like from hourly chart, looks like the trend has changed to the upside. And they try to find support here. Every time they try to sell and they find support. So that's the indication that buyers and sellers, they are going through a tug of the war. They're just trying to, you know, the the sellers try to sell, buyers try to buy. So see who has more money, which side is more convincing. The If the buyer there's more money on the buyer side, then the stock will go up. But if there's more money on the seller side, then the stock may continue go down. For now, it's a consolidating. PRI uptrend, pull back to 50-day moving average. That could be a buy point. However, we have to be careful. This volume goes up. Volume is a little. Well, actually, those are reversal day. When you have a reversal day, the volume high, it's good thing. Reversal day means um, stock open low but close high. So that's a reversal day. So this stock is still good. You can still continue hold on to it. If you want to buy, this is a buyable. But if you buy it, make sure you have a stop order below $78. VEEV also break out from here. This is a long uh, kind of a base, long cup base or saucer base. And breakout here, volume is good. So this is the stocks. Those are the stocks in the buy range. And second list of the stocks, I took it off on my list. Here's the reason why. NUE, material, steel sector. Here's the reason why. Look at the job here. This big job with a pretty high volume. And this is right after it came back up with a high volume. So this is very risky. But stock may find support around $56. So it doesn't mean this stock is shortable, but it's just there are better stocks to long than those ones. PWR and broke 50-day moving average with high volume. So that's a sell. The day when they break 50-day moving average with high volume, that's a sell. Second 3 days, try to reach 50-day moving average, could not go above it and came down again. Not very good. WAL, Western Alliance, and bad. Broke 50-day moving average with a very high volume. So this is a bad. Those are the stocks. This actually, if it can rebound near 50-day moving average, it may be shortable. Okay, those are the stocks out of the list. Now, and this list of the stocks are too extended, but they're in very nice uptrend. Apple is a one. Apple is a very nice uptrend. Look at this. And but recently there are two high volume down days. We have to be careful. If you have it, I mean, which I have it, I would use this low as a support. Use this low as a break. The stop order. So or somewhere near 30-day moving average, 170, $137. $137, that would be the support. If we break that support, you need to get out. So that's why this support point, or a little bit below that support point would be the stop order. Adobe, nice uptrend, no buy point now. This is a, who knows, we may near the top. Looks like it. See if we can continue break this high. Applied materials, very nice uptrend. Applied material is the pretty much an index for the semiconductor. So right now, uptrend. Microtechnology just jumped on Friday, so with a very high volume. So this is a very nice uptrend. AMD also uptrend, but this volume is worrisome. This is a very huge volume on the down day. So I will watch it carefully to see where the stock is doing. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, this is not too bad. This is volume on the very low range. Okay, let me take a look at the hourly chart, see what's going on. Hourly chart with the volume. Okay, yeah, it is going down. The stock here is going down with a pretty high volume, but recently this is a huge volume rebounded back. That's a good thing. Looks like at $13 there is a support. So if you were to hold this stock, if you were to long this stock, I would say $13.20. That's a support. That's one stop order you can set. Another stop order is $12.38. That's another stop. So the hourly chart definitely gave us a lot more, finer tuned information. That would be all for the list. Okay. What to do in this market? Have stop order. Whatever stock you long or ETF you long, have a stop order. We can continue long the strong stock. Overall, market is still in the uptrend. There's no reason to panic and sell everything. However, if your stock is going down, trigger the stop order. Just get out and use that money to buy other stronger stocks. As far as the ETF or index mutual fund or index ETF goes, I will wait for the market to confirm the support at 50-day moving average before I get in. So I have not yet gotten today. I'm still waiting for another day or another few days to see how it reacts. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.